Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change payment method on Shein. First of all, you can open the Shein application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you will just simply see the option settings at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on settings, and here you will see the option My Payment options. Tap on it. Now you will just simply remove the first payment method, and you can tap on Add a new card to enter a new payment method, and after this you can just simply enter the card number or expiry date or CVV, and after this you can now tap on Confirm. And this is the way you can change payment method on Shein. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Code questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.